Afternoon guys, so dito kami today. This is our first day of staying here sa Zea's. So ito yung rooftop view nila. This one, yung kubo na yan, for rent. Yun, may flower na upuan. Tapos yung area na yan is lutuan siya. Yan yung gasol. And ito is shower. Tapos nandun is yung CR. Tapos may water tank sila. Look at the view. I don't know if kita. But it's super ganda. And what I love about this is the view, of course. And yung girl, like, heck. Ganda. Good morning. Ay, hindi pala good morning. Good evening na pala guys. Kasi yan. Nag-arrive kami around 8 p.m. Ayan, tapos natulog kami. Yung kasama ko tulog pa. The waves and my curls. Yan.